Dear children, welcome to the computer class. So in this module we are going to learn about the form control, text area and the drop down list. So text area is a container tag which displays several lines at a time. Okay, so let us save the program and open the browser to see the text area. So you can see a rectangle box in which you can enter the text. Let us add a label called address. Okay, let us refresh the page. Okay, now you can see address. We can also add a placeholder that shows what kind of text you have to enter, and it will be displayed inside the text area. Now let us enter your address here, save the page and reload the browser. We can see the text displayed inside the text area. As said, to resize the text area you have to click and drag at the edge of the text area. Also, before entering the text you have to remove the placeholders. Dear children, the text areas are generally used to prepare the body of email or to collect comments from the site visitors. Children, now let us learn about the attributes that can be used with text area. So the first one is calls attribute. So here I am giving calls equal to 4. The attribute calls define the length of the text area. So the length varies according to the value that you have specified in the program. Now the next attribute is rows. Rows is used to define the height of the text box. So when you give rows equal to 10, you can see the increase in the height. Okay, so when you adjust the values, the height and length will vary accordingly. You can also resize the height. The attribute name is used to give an internal name to the form control, as we have used in the previous forms. Dear children, now let us learn about the next form control, that is the drop down list. So a drop down list will contain so many options from which you can select any one. In order to create a drop down list, you have to make use of two container tags. So the first one is the select tag. Within the select tag you have to specify the option tag. It is also a container tag. The options that should be displayed inside the drop down list is specified in this tag. So here I am going to give the class 10A and I am going to add two more options with the class 10B and 10C. As you can see, the options tag is written within the select tag. A select tag must contain at least one option. So let us save the program and open the browser. You can see a drop down list with the first option displayed, that is 10A. So click on the down arrow and you will be able to see all the other options, and you can select any one from the list. Now I am going to add a label as class and division before the tag select. We can now save the program and refresh to see the output.